पूरे अंदर घुस गई है हवा पर।
अच्छा ओके।
मतलब वाइट लैंडस्केप।
गाइस अब हम जा रहे हैं ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग इस बर्फीले तूफान में। ये देखिए हर तरफ बस बर्फ ही बर्फ। एयर बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेश है एक्चुअली।
7 एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स 7 है ना यहाँ पे।
बस एयर फ्रेश है, बस एयर ली नहीं जा रही है क्योंकि बर्फ मुंह में जा रही है। ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं तो
खिड़की से देखने में ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा ये।
हाँ।
यहाँ पे वेदर से कभी नहीं डरना चाहिए।
यहाँ पे कहा जाता है कि देयर इज नो बैड वेदर, गो आउट एवरी डे। अक्सर एक्चुअली ऐसे वेदर में बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है अपने आप को बाहर निकालना, पर हम अपने देशवासियों को बताना चाहेंगे अगर वो यहाँ रहते हैं कोई भी और ये वीडियो देख पा रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ बाहर निकलिए वंस अ डे। निंजा टेक्निक है डिप्रेशन को,
विंटर डिप्रेशन को उससे फाइट कर लेगी यहाँ पे तो
एक्चुअली हाँ यहाँ पे विंटर डिप्रेशन बहुत ही कॉमन चीज़ है।
यहाँ पे ना विंटर्स में बहुत डार्क, मतलब जल्दी डार्क हो जाता है, मतलब 12-1 बजे डार्क हो जाता है। तो अगर आप जैसे अर्ली राइजर नहीं हो तो आप डार्कनेस में ही उठोगे, कोई लाइट ही नहीं दिखेगी।
हाँ
तो ये यहाँ पे अर्ली राइजर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है,
बहुत ज़रूरी है। हम आज कुछ स्वीडिश लोगों से भी बात कर सकते हैं,
रहने वालों से एक्सपीरियंस मिले हमें।
Hi guys, we have people from Umeå itself and they will tell us how they feel about this weather here.
Yeah, this
Guys,
weather.
go on.
I like it. No, I actually don't like it
You
so
don't
much.
like it?
But I like to ski,
You like this?
so
okay.
it's good that it's snowing.
But do you like winters more or summer? Are you a winter?
I'm a summer guy.
You are a summer.
Yeah,
guy.
I
And
think I'm a summer guy.
Yeah, I'm a winter girl.
you are
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
What do you like most in winter?
To ski.
To ski?
Yes, yeah.
And what is like? Is -35 okay for you?
No.
No. What is like a okay temperature?
-5.
No, that's not even like you are. You then it's wrong to say that you like because -5 guys here. It's an I don't know spring temperature.
It's a mild temperature.
mild temperature. Okay, so but you like winters here.
Yeah.
Okay, and you like summers here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. What about the darkness though?
Oh,
gets-
we don't like the darkness.
You don't?
No.
Okay, we also don't. But
Yeah.
But thank you so much, guys. Are you also a student here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing? If I can.
We're studying medicine.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have been here for a long time now.
This is our 4th year.
4th year.
4th year.
Okay.
And you are from Umeå only.
I'm from an hour from here.
Okay.
And I'm
South?
from the south of Sweden,
Okay.
Okay. Which part?
near Gothenburg.
Okay, that's too south actually.
Yeah, that's so sad.
He's from really south.
Yeah.
It doesn't get this.
So I'm not a real northerner,
Yeah, you
Yeah.
are. Yeah, of
But
course.
I am.
but she is.
Yeah,
Okay.
you are. Yes. Okay, but thank you so much, guys. It was really nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
So, what is your name first?
My name is Jota.
Yota.
Yes.
And where are you from?
Greece.
Greece. How do you like winters here?
Actually, today I'm very happy. I feel that the weather is great
Okay.
because it's not that cold and you see the snow and you can enjoy it a little bit.
Okay. But what about -35?
I wasn't here. I'm
Okay.
here for 2 weeks,
Okay.
but -25 for me was extreme.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you are liking the snow here right now.
Right now, yes, because it's not cold.
Cold,
and
yeah.
It's not very usual for me to have all this.
And
snow.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
is it better than your winters in your country, that is Greece?
Winter is milder in Greece, but we're not that adapted.
Okay.
So I enjoy how people are used to it and how organized are they about it. They have these tires in their cars and everything functions. even
Yeah,
with the
everything
snow.
is functional.
They
That's
adapt.
true, actually. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so
Where are
much.
you from?
That is actually very much true. Like if it's for any other country, अगर ये किसी भी और country की बात होती तो शायद चीज़ें इतनी functional नहीं होती. So we are almost reaching our store. So it was nice. It is actually nice shooting this vlog, no? हम स्टोर पहुंच गए हैं।
अगर आप हमारे कपड़े देखें तो मेरे पूरे स्कार्फ पे स्नो है, जीन्स पे भी स्नो है, शूज़ में भी स्नो है, यहाँ पे भी स्नो है मेरी भी। और मेरी दोस्त के कपड़े देखें, उसके भी उसकी पूरी कैप के अराउंड स्नो ही स्नो है, शूज़ पे भी स्नो है, हर जगह स्नो है।
It's we never had any idea of doing this, but this time we met after such a long time that we thought that it would be really nice if we just put out
And we
these
are
things
really
out
doing
here.
it by heart. It is not feeling like a work.
Yeah.
For it is like we are really happy doing this and sharing with you all.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for being with us. If you have watched this video, we are very happy. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. See you next time, guys.